Hello friends, welcome to our channel today. I am Dr. Prabha Unadkat, founder of Quality Hearing Care Mumbai, and we have been providing services to people with various hearing issues over last 30 years. So far on our channel, we have discussed lots of topics which were related to management of a hearing loss, helping people with a hearing loss, and taking care of people with hearing loss. But whenever I confronted with people who were having hearing problem and a person accompanying him invariably asked me a question, is there any way we can prevent our hearing loss? And this inspired me to do today's presentation. Today we are going to talk about how a healthy lifestyle can prevent or reduce the chances of hearing loss. There are lots of causes of sensorineural hearing loss. One of them being genetic, which is not really under control. But the other lifestyle factors which are responsible for hearing loss can be controlled by us to reduce the possibility of hearing loss. Let's start our conversation with three important topics which are related to lifestyle and the hearing loss. The first and the foremost is obesity. It is proved in literature all over the world that relation of obesity to hearing loss both in children as well as adults. Obesity does not only cause hearing loss directly, but it also causes diabetes, hypertension, and other diseases which are called lifestyle diseases which are responsible for hearing loss. And it's very easy to prevent this by maintaining fair weight balances, by consuming balanced diet and doing exercise. This balanced diet and exercise not only reduces the obesity and chances of being diabetic, but also helps in better circulation, which helps eventually in providing better blood supply to the organs of hearing and maintain them in a healthy condition. And this is very responsible for maintaining healthy hearing. The next and the most frequently observed lifestyle problem with our people is smoking. Smoking by means of nicotine being consumed, also the carbon monoxide and lack of oxygen causes poor blood supply to the organs of hearing and eventually causes hearing loss. Though smoking is also associated with various other problems which we are not discussing as of now. The third most important and world very well known factor causing hearing loss is exposure to noise. Exposure to noise is today not only in adults but even in children. There are three ways in which there is exposure to noise. Number one is a recreational or entertainment exposure to noise, like going to discotheques, attending to concerts, and highly noisy environment in various social functions. Though it is not in our control that we can prevent this kind of noises, but we can always protect ourselves by using hearing protectors in such situation and reduce the number of visits to such events where it could cause hearing loss. The second and the most important factor related to noise-induced problems is use of earbuds or headphones. Ensure that you don't use your earbuds and headphones at levels louder than 85 decibel. Also, make sure that you don't use them for more than 60 minutes at a stretch. And in case you need to use them for a longer period, use it after giving proper breaks. This is known to be a very badly affecting hearing problem in this world today. In today's generation is highly exposed to this kind of hearing problems. The third factor, third noise-induced deafness is due to recreational noises like gun, shot firings and other sports activity, which also includes scuba diving. This can lead to hearing loss and you should protect yourself from this. I hope this would help you to protect your hearing over a period of time, and we will have a better hearing and healthy hearing. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel if you like it and share it with others who could be interested in knowing this. Thank you and have a good day.